Gusto mo ba magkaroon ng sariling appliances, kitchenware, at gadget store na hindi sakit sa ulo at kumikita kahit tulog ka? Bida Boss na yan! Ang nag-iisang retail store na may dropshipping system sa Pilipinas. Ang negosyong madaling simulan pero hindi mahirap patakbuhin dahil lahat ng kailangan mo nandito na. Warehouse? Check. System? All done. Logistics? Ready. High quality products but affordable? Nandito na. The first ever retail hub na may dropshipping system. With full support from day one. Hindi lang ikaw ang nagbebenta ng products mo, pati na rin ang mga sellers mo. Expert in both online and offline store. Kaya ang kita ay 24/7 at hassle-free. Partnered with international and local companies. Kaya saan ka pa? At alam mo ba ang best part? Bibigyan ka namin ng 350,000 initial inventory nang walang binabayaran. Be a dropshipping company owner now. Claim your 350,000 worth of products by sending us a message now.